Welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this tutorial, we will look at how to set up integration with myhsy's supplier system. Log into the MechanicDesk site and go to Settings in the top menu. Click on the Integrations tab, then Supplier Systems from the list in the left panel. Note the myhsy section. Click on the details there to start setting up the integration. Enter the customer ID, email and PIN number to authenticate the integration. If you do not yet have these details, please contact your local HSY sales representative. Click Save to complete the process and you are ready to use the integration. This can be used in various ways. One is to go via the Jobs tab to an existing job that may require some parts from HSY. The job now has a link that you can click on to open HSY with the VIN number and other vehicle information already available. Click on the highlighted field to start searching for parts. Select the parts required by navigating the various categories, then click on Send Selected to Lookup at the bottom of the window. Confirm the parts by ticking the checkboxes, then click on Save as Quote. Enter any relevant information in the next window before saving the quote. The invoice on the MechanicDesk site now shows the ordered parts, and you will be asked if you want to go ahead with the purchase. Click on Yes to proceed to the Purchase Order pop-up to confirm the supplier. Click Continue to select the invoice items, then the Select button to view the purchase price and Add to complete the purchase order form. From here, you can choose to email the order form as a PDF attachment to HSY, or send the order directly to HSY as shown here by clicking on the Order button. MechanicDesk will open HSY again to display the ordered parts. Click on the green Cart button to process the order in myhsy. Parts can also be ordered via the Quotes tab. Select a quote to access the HSY link to order parts as described earlier. You can also order parts via the Inventory and Suppliers tab, then Purchase Orders to order in parts for your own stock. If you have any questions about myhsy integrations, please don't hesitate to contact MechanicDesk support.